Hey guys, so in one of my recent videos I talked about how we were going to replace the sideboards and we just had a pair cut for the truck. We have them here at the house and we're going to get ready to start on them, but I don't have a pair for the trailer yet. I really like the grooves on them, and so I wanted to replicate that, and I want to paint them black with orange stripes in the grooves. Okay guys, so I'm super excited. I don't want you to see yet. So for the first coat, we added that glitter additive. It was black and the glitter was pretty small. And I mean, it was kind of sparkly. It was black with like a little sheen. It kind of seemed more glossy than anything. And I then went back on Amazon and ordered the same glitter but silver. and Bobby put the second coat on while I was working today, and it turned out amazing. You got to see this. Here, I'm gonna get my phone so that I can shine a light directly on it. But look at that. So close up, or it's all sparkly. It's exactly what I wanted it to look like. Black, but sparkly. So we have one more coat of orange in the stripe, and hopefully it covers up all the black that ended up down in the groove. And then once that is done, they'll be ready to go onto the truck. And I'm so excited. I'll link the paint additive in the description below so that if you guys ever want to use it for anything, it is pretty freaking sweet. I love it. Yesterday while I was at work, Bobby was able to put the last coat of paint on the sideboards, and now we're ready to put them on. I can't wait for you guys to see them. After removing the old boards, we found that they were a little bit narrow on each end. We had to modify the new board slightly to fit. Well, here it is, guys, the finished product. I know I showed the installation on the passenger side, but here's the driver's side done. Looks very good. I hope you guys like the glitter. I think that the glitter will be more obvious when there's sun actually shining on it, but with the cloud cover, it's not super good right now. You can't see it from very far away. I do know that when it's sunny, it sparkles a lot more. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this journey of ours from bare wood to beautiful sideboards on the truck. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.